Okay guys, I hope everybody is well. I mentioned in a video the other day that I was using Hollyland wireless mics in my GoPro and in my phone when I do use my phone. And I did get a few comments asking how do you set these mics up to a GoPro. So I'm going to show you here. Great mics. I've not had a problem with these mics and the range on them is absolutely fantastic. So you open the box, this is the charging box, take out the receiver and you get two mics. Take them out of the box and they will automatically pair up with your receiver. They paired up first time, every time for me. To fit your receiver onto your GoPro media mod, you will have to take off the light. If you do have a light on your media mod, you'll have to take that off the hot shoe because this receiver fits onto the hot shoe on the top of the media mod. Now I mentioned I have never had a problem with this receiver and the microphones connecting as soon as I take them out of the box. When you take them out of the box, the blue lights will be flashing on the microphone and on the receiver. When they connect, which only takes a couple of seconds, the blue lights go solid, like I'm showing you here. You know then your microphone is connected to your receiver and you're good to go. And the next step will be connecting this up to your GoPro. If you do find the microphones aren't connecting to your receiver, all you have to do is press the yellow button in for a couple of seconds on the side of your microphone, and if that doesn't work, press in the two buttons on the side of your receiver and it will connect straight away if you have to follow this method. The next step, get your 3.5mm jack that comes with these microphones. Plug one end into your receiver, the other end into the media mod. It's the bottom drawer on the media mod. The bottom right hand side, plug that into there and then your receiver will fit onto the hot shoe of your media mod. I would advise not pushing it in too hard because it is quite a tight fit, but it is on there very firm even if you just push it in a little bit. Of volume controller to change the volume of your mics. I'll switch this GoPro on and as you can see now it is picking up my voice. It's all up and running and you will receive two mics in the package, one for yourself and another one for somebody else if you're going out filming with another person, or maybe if you want to do a podcast. These mics are magnetic, so you can clip them to your collar, take the magnet off the back of them, put the microphone in front of your collar and the magnet to the back, and it is a strong magnet, an excellent fit. Okay, so connecting these microphones to your phone couldn't be easier. In the box you will get two receivers, all depending on what sort of phone you have. Choose the right receiver, plug it into your phone and automatically the two blue lights will come on there flashing, looking for your microphones. Once you've got a steady light on your receiver and on your microphones, you're ready to start filming. It's as simple as that. If they don't connect, it's the same procedure as I showed you earlier. Just pressing the yellow buttons for a couple of seconds. Okay guys, I hope this has been helpful, as I did get a few comments asking how you do, or if you could connect these microphones to a GoPro, and the answer is yes, but you do need the media mod. And they are great, fantastic range. They've never failed to connect and the sound quality is excellent. Guys, please do like, share and subscribe. I'll always review equipment I use and leave the affiliate link in the description.